This is Republic Square, Belgrade. No? The center of Belgrade. Diyan kami nakabook pala sa loob na yan. That area. So, yung inilipatan namin just for an overnight stay in Airbnb just few hundred meters away. Kailangan na mag-taxi. So, I'm looking for grocery na tumatanggap ng euro kaso wala, no? I just wait here. Balik tayo doon kasi familiar tayo sa area. Then buy something. No? Kasi tinatanggap yung credit card eh. So if you travel, handy masyado yung credit card. And very handy rather than the local currency. Like this one kasi Serbia is not part of euro, so may mga areas pa na they accept a few areas na but they have their local currency. So let's just cross here. Green na area. Okay, so dami dito here. Balik tayo dito sa Republic Square. This is the center, no, ng Belgrade. Yung titirhan namin Parliament area. So mga visitors na go posing here. So for dinner we're finding some Asian resto. Makahanap kami most likely kasi it's not really. Ito yung area na, center niya. So this is yung place nila na parang open area, meeting place nila. They can order coffee, no? They can sit here. Ito yung gandang view ng Republic Square.